Today, I want to talk about something every home buyer and real estate investor in Connecticut should understand: seller disclosure requirements and what you need to know to protect yourself. Under Connecticut law, sellers are legally required to provide you with a residential property condition disclosure report before you sign any purchase contract. This isn't optional, it's the law. Here's what you need to know as a buyer. First, this form covers about 40 different areas of the property, from structural issues and plumbing to environmental hazards and whether the property is in a flood zone. Sellers must answer yes, no, or unknown to each question. Second, understand what "to the extent of the seller's knowledge" means. Sellers only have to disclose what they actually know. If they check unknown frequently, that could be a red flag worth investigating further. Third, know the penalties. If a seller fails to provide this disclosure form, they owe you $500 at closing. But more importantly, if they knowingly hide material defects, you may have grounds for a lawsuit later. Here's my biggest tip. Use the disclosures as your roadmap for inspection, not your final answer. The form specifically states that you're urged to have the property professionally inspected. Pay extra attention to any areas where problems have been disclosed or repaired. And remember, the disclosure doesn't relieve you of the responsibility to inspect the property thoroughly. There may be issues the seller genuinely doesn't know about. If you're buying a home in Connecticut and want experienced guidance through the disclosure and inspection process, I'm here to help.
The information presented is not intended to be legal advice. You should consult an attorney for advice regarding your individual situation.